Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I think you know that Instagram has been updated and now we can't upload more pictures in one post as before. So in this tutorial I will show you the new method to upload more pictures in one post on Instagram. You will see that is very easy, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe if you are not already. We always post quality content. So that being said, let me show you how to do it. First, let's go to our Instagram app. Make sure that you are logged in, of course. Go right here on this plus in the right corner, this one, or go to your profile. Here, and also you can click this plus in the right corner up here. Okay, so let's click on it. As you can see, if you click on those pictures you want to post, you will be able to post just one, but we want to post more than one photo, so you have to click this icon right here near the camera. You see this one? Okay, and you can post I think 10 photos. I don't know the amount of photos you can post, but you can post more than one photo. So choose your photos like this, or unclick that, and you see here on the gallery, click on this arrow right here and you can choose gallery photos, videos, from wherever you want to choose your photos. Okay, so now I will choose my photos. Like I said, click on this icon right here and you will be able to post multiple photos in only one post. So I will choose my pictures. I have one, two, let's do this one, and this one. So we have 5 photos. Click on this arrow right in the right corner, this blue arrow, and you can apply filters for each one, for all the photos, how you want, do whatever you want. I will leave it normal. You can click OK, go to the next photo, edit that one, and after that click right here again in the right corner, up in the right corner, write what you want. Let's say memories. I don't know, it doesn't matter. Then click on this, click right here on the right corner. Yeah, finishing up. So that's it, guys. As you can see, we posted 5 photos in only one post. Let's go to our profile. Yeah, everything is okay, it worked. So this is a new update. It's very similar to the old one, so it's really easy if you follow all the steps. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this tutorial. Like I said, if you did, please smash the like button and comment down below your thoughts. And the most important, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also you can activate this notification bell to get all the notifications. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.